In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Hostinger website step by step, using the fastest method available inside your Hostinger dashboard. If you manage a WordPress site on Hostinger, this is one of the easiest ways to get into your admin panel without wasting time hunting for the login page or typing the wrong URL. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click, how to access WP Admin, and what to do if your login details are already saved or if you need to enter them manually. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, go to the Hostinger dashboard and sign into your Hostinger account if you are not already logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Websites section. This is where Hostinger lists all of the websites connected to your account, so click on Websites to continue. After that, you'll see the site you want to manage. Next to your website, click WP Admin. This button takes you directly to your WordPress admin area, which is the control panel you use to manage posts, pages, plugins, themes, and settings. In many cases, Hostinger will already have your credentials saved, so when you click WP Admin, you may be logged in automatically. That is the quickest method, and it saves you from entering your username and password again. If that happens, you can go straight into your WordPress dashboard and start working on your site right away. If your credentials are not saved, don't worry. Hostinger will open the login page for your WordPress admin, and from there you can manually enter your login details. Type in your username or email address, then enter your password carefully and click Login. Make sure your details are correct because a small typo can stop you from getting in. If you forget your password, you may need to use the password reset option before trying again. Once you log in successfully, you'll land inside your WordPress dashboard. From there, you can update content, change your theme, install plugins, or make any other changes your site needs. So to recap, the process is simple. Open your Hostinger dashboard, click Websites, select WP Admin next to your site, and then either log in automatically or enter your details manually and click Login. It only takes a few moments once you know where to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.